In this video, I'm going to show you how to get automatic parts in one's human. So this is actually very easy if you have good enough gear and if you're high enough of a level. What you want to do, if we open up this map over here and zoom out, this up here is the red sands region, okay? And as you can see, it requires level 48 to be able to get there. So I'm currently only level 28. However, the required one or the recommended one is 48, so I'm 20 levels from there. And then in there's a bunch of these areas in that red sands area, such as this one over here, and then this and this one, for example, and as well as this one, where you can get those automatic parts. Now, just like you would in any other parts on the map, where you loot those parts and find different items that you can later kind of the salvage inside your disassembly bench, you will do the same over here. So we'll run around houses, kill different enemies at the area, shoot them down, and then basically loot their towns, okay? And once you loot those towns, you will get different parts, and you'll come back to the disassembly bench at your base, which is this thing over here, where you press F, and then simply select everything you've gotten, and then click disassemble, hold F to disassemble, and you'll be able to pretty much get a lot of automatic parts. Now, what's important to note is that those automatic parts can be found specifically when you salvage or as I said, disassemble the specific items. And these specific items you want to look for inside those areas are military flash drives. Those give you a lot. And then you have also multi-purpose monocular, I think it's called, something like this. You also have the dual-purpose binoculars, and then custom tool sets, grease guns, versatile screwdriver sets, and stuff like this. So when you find those items, you have to look for as much of these as you can, and then once you come back, you'll get a whole bunch of automatic parts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you get those automatic parts in one's human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.